Getting ready to paint this frame right here, so I thought I'd give you a couple of quick, helpful, handy hints. Now, what you don't want to do is just start shooting the entire mass of the frame, because when you do, you're going to lose all the nooks and crannies. So what I want you to do first is hit all of the weird little nooks and crannies that you got. After all of those things are hit, then you can do the mass. When you got things hanging up like this, the number one thing you got to remember is that paint is very, very literal. You might just think that shooting it like this, you're going to get total coverage. But if you do not specifically hit everything at a 90-degree angle, make sure you're getting it at the top. Make sure you're getting it at the bottom. If you don't hit it directly, it ain't going to get hit.